like I said, I'm going to decriminalize marijuana on a federal basis, allow the states to regulate it, continue to tax it federally, and use those taxes to fund the recovery programs. And I would do the same thing for psychedelic drugs, which I do not think should be criminalized. You know,
You would legalize psychedelic drugs?
I would legalize psychedelic drugs, some form of legalization. But they should, you know, there's so much I know personally, and I know, you know, I've read the studies, and there's so many people being helped in different ways by them, and we have to make it easier, maybe to prescribe them, to give them through therapeutically. I don't know about just buying them in stores. I have to look at all that, but in one way or another, we need to make it easy for people to use them in ways that could benefit our children, that could benefit everybody. So I've seen it in my own family, the benefits of it, and look, I've been in recovery for 40 years. I'm a person who would never tell you that the answer is a drug. Right? I'm a person who says, you know, you never can fix what's wrong inside of you with something outside of you, with a substance, a powder, a potion, or a pill. It doesn't work. But I have seen, against everything that against all of my, you know, training and indoctrination in that area, I've seen miraculous recoveries from psychedelic drugs, from PTSD, from veterans who have used it, from people who have suffered severe depression, OCD, you know, many other injuries. And I'm not saying blanket legalization, but we need to make it easy for psychiatrists and therapists who are trained to be able to use this on their patients, and and see if we experiment, see if we get good results.
We know that nearly 90% of people in this country who need help with substance use disorder don't get it, largely because they can't afford it, or they can't find it, or they're too afraid to ask for it. There's enormous stigma, which is a huge issue when people seeking help and getting help.